Hey, mama, can I get a word? Hey, can I get a word? Hey, mama, can the youngin get a word? I say, what time you get off around here? You know, I got me some of that Andorian ale back at the room. You know, I'm complaining Starfleet about this. Shit ain't even necessary. What you hating on somebody for? Oh, how could I forget him? James Tiny Vest. He was the worst actor I ever saw on Star Trek. He was horrible. The first time I saw him, I looked at him eye to eye. I said to myself, he doesn't even belong here. Where did he get this job from? But then he did get a good job later on. He was a jerk off. But, Bill, I'm telling you, he couldn't remember his lines. He couldn't even, all he had to do, he pushed a broom. What a shit show that was. You don't push a broom in the future. We don't have brooms. It's crazy. It's just crazy. But you were all going crazy, Bill. You're right. I thought I could sing. Nimoy thought he could sing. They cut our budget all to hell. They knew they were taking us off the air. Oh, back when the monsters, you had them, they were made out of cardboard and so forth. I remember that. But why don't you just... Yeah, they were. And I still haven't gotten over it. I think he was a big reason we got canceled. And if he were right here right now, I wouldn't give him the live long and prosper. Live long and prosper, yeah, I can do that. Yeah, I can do it too. But I have a very special one for him. It has something sticking up in the middle of it like this. Oh, come on now, Bill. Come on. All right. Well, live long and prosper, Jim Tiny Vest, if you're out there. Fuck him. Cool kitties out there. Stayed up half the night. I hope you were dancing with me. Hope you had a good time like I did. It's good just to cut loose. Do your thing. Do your thing once in a while. Alright? And next week, we're going to come back better than ever. Best show to date. And we're going to be auditioning our new very own Swole trained dancing girls. Oh yeah, guaranteed fact. And maybe we may have a live phone calls next week, and you might get lucky, because fellas, you might even get to call up and ask any of the auditioning ladies a question or two, so you can have some input also into who represents the Swole train. I gotta keep it down, kiddies. Gotta keep it down, mama's in bed. So that's it for me for tonight. Thank you for hanging out and staying up with me. Y'all take care now. And better luck next time. I'll try a little harder.